Mastering product testing standards. Standardized testing processes are the only way to ensure diverse teams and stakeholders can actually use your product. Where do we establish and implement standardized product testing processes that guarantee ease of use, accessibility, and inclusivity for diverse product teams and stakeholders, thereby facilitating their active participation and collaboration throughout the testing cycle? Establishing and implementing standardized product testing processes is crucial to ensure ease of use, accessibility, and inclusivity for diverse product teams and stakeholders. This can be achieved by setting up a robust and structured testing framework that caters to the needs of all users, regardless of their abilities, language, or cultural background. To begin with, it is essential to define clear testing objectives, scope, and deliverables that align with the organization's goals and vision. This involves identifying the types of testing required, such as functional, usability, performance, security, and compatibility testing, as well as the key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure testing effectiveness. Next, a comprehensive testing strategy should be developed, outlining the approach, methods, and tools to be used for each type of testing. This strategy should be based on industry-recognized standards, such as ISO/IEC 17025, and best practices, ensuring consistency and repeatability across all testing activities. To facilitate ease of use and accessibility, standardized testing processes should be designed with inclusivity in mind. This involves creating testing protocols that cater to diverse user needs, such as users with disabilities, and providing alternative formats for testing materials, such as Braille or audio descriptions. Moreover, testing tools and equipment should be compatible with assistive technologies, enabling users with disabilities to fully participate in the testing process. In terms of accessibility, it is vital to ensure that testing environments are physically accessible and welcoming to all users. This includes providing wheelchair-accessible testing facilities, adaptive technology, and trained staff to support users with disabilities. To promote collaboration and active participation, standardized testing processes should be transparent, communicative, and inclusive. This can be achieved by establishing clear roles and responsibilities, defining testing schedules and milestones, and providing regular progress updates to all stakeholders. Additionally, testing processes should be flexible and adaptable, allowing for changes and refinements based on stakeholder feedback and emerging requirements. Key stakeholders, including product teams, developers, quality assurance engineers, and end users, should be engaged throughout the testing cycle to ensure their needs and expectations are met. This can be facilitated through regular meetings, surveys, and feedback sessions, as well as providing access to testing data and results. To ensure inclusivity, testing processes should be culturally sensitive, taking into account language, cultural, and regional differences. Testing materials and protocols should be translated into relevant languages, and testing environments should be designed to accommodate diverse cultural and regional needs. Finally, standardized testing processes should be continuously monitored and evaluated to identify areas for improvement and optimize testing effectiveness. This involves tracking KPIs, conducting regular testing audits, and implementing changes based on stakeholder feedback and emerging trends. In conclusion, establishing and implementing standardized product testing processes that guarantee ease of use, accessibility, and inclusivity for diverse product teams and stakeholders requires a structured approach that considers the needs of all users. By defining clear testing objectives, developing a comprehensive testing strategy, and promoting collaboration and inclusivity, organizations can create a testing framework that facilitates active participation and collaboration throughout the testing cycle, ultimately leading to higher quality products that meet user needs and expectations.